October is going to bring wealth, health, money, success, financial goals being achieved. October, I'm feeling you. October is going to be so great. Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and today we are closing out our cash envelopes for the month. Now October is here, and this is a new month to keep going, a new month to keep fighting. This is just a new month, new beginnings. Okay, every day is a new day, and it's a chance for us to, you know, be our best selves. So let's get into our positive quotes box, and let us go ahead and pick out a positive quote. Today's positive quote is, be your own reason to smile. Doesn't matter if anyone else, like no one else makes you smile, you could be your own reason to smile. I like this. It is good to love yourself. It's good to show yourself love at all times, and it's good to, you know, be your biggest fan. I mean, a lot of times I sit down and I talk to myself. People will wonder if I'm crazy, but I do it all the time. Talk to myself all the time, look in the mirror, give myself self-affirmations and stuff. Sometimes I look in the mirror and smile at myself. Okay, it's not crazy. Literally, you just loving you. So today we have my budget planner. Isn't this cute? I'm so in love. So this is completely handmade. It is the disc bound, as y'all can see, and the cover was decorated by your girl, of course, and everything was handmade, printed at home, etc. So I am thinking about dropping these, you know, and the new year is coming really fast. So I was thinking about dropping these, but I'm gonna be doing them limited edition, which means that they're only gonna be a certain amount. So if you guys are interested, please start putting down your bucks and get ready to buy them, because I think I might only make probably 10 or 20 limited. This takes a minute to make. Okay, it's a whole bunch of pages, and I'm doing this on my own in my house. I'm going to do these limited edition, and I'm going to put them up for pre-order soon. So once I do that, I will let you guys know that they're up for pre-order, so that if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and pre-order yours. Let's take a look at inside. So this is how the inside looks. I decided to add a calendar because we all need a calendar, don't we? We need some type of calendar to plan what's going on. So me personally, I'm going to be using my calendar to, you know, plan out my incoming funds from my makeup and lash business coming in for the month, and any other extra cash that I've received, I'm going to drop on my calendar as well. This way I can keep track of how much money was, you know, how much income I had for the month, because y'all know with my type of job, my income is all over the place. It's hard to keep track of it when you're not getting paid bi-weekly or weekly. There's a dog outside. Like, whose dog is that? Where is the dog? I don't see anyone walking a dog. I don't understand. Poor puppy. There's a guy. I don't know if you guys are hearing this, because my microphone is really clean. It picks up all this stuff. So if you guys are hearing this, please, I'm sorry. I love dogs, okay? I used to have a puppy. So this I'm gonna be using to track my income for the month, definitely. And then we have the weekly budget page. I do it weekly. It's not a monthly budget, it's a weekly budget. I'm not sure if I'll add a monthly or a bi-weekly. I'm not sure yet, maybe, because I know everyone's, you know, thing is different. But for me, I'm using a weekly one. I have 4 pages of weekly budget because, you know, it's 4 weeks. And next, I'm gonna skip all the weekly budget. I'm just showing you guys what's inside. This is an expense tracker. So I have 2 pages of expense tracker, and then I have cash envelopes closeout page where I'm going to be closing out my envelopes for the month. And then I have my notes if there's anything that I would like to add, and then it basically just starts back over. So calendar, weekly budget pages, expense tracker pages, cash envelope closeout pages, and notes. So that's what's inside the budget planner. So today I'll be closing out my cash envelopes for this month. That way it could have a start for next month, if you get what I mean. So this is the page we're going to be working on today, basically. Cash envelope closeout page. And we're going to go into our envelopes. We're going to put the date, well, start date, and I'm going to list all my envelopes and how much are we starting with for the month of October. And then in the end of October, we're going to put how much we ended with, if you get what I'm saying. Let's get it started. So first binder I want to start with, I'm actually going to be doing sinking funds, my high priority, and my daughter's binder is what we're going to be working with today. I haven't done my month ahead binder as yet. I haven't got a chance to redecorate my month ahead, so we're going to be doing the ones that we have, and we're going to be starting with my daughter's binder. Okay, so let's do that. I have a yellow pen, unfortunately, but it do match with my candle, so let's get into it. So my daughter's binder is here. Let's see how much we're ending with for my daughter's binder. So for her saving challenges, $30 is what she has in there. So we're starting the month of October with $30 in my daughter's saving challenge binder. So first, let's do this. Let's say month is gonna be October 2023. Ariana's savings, she has $30. Okay, that's quick. So that's what's in my daughter's binder. Let's now jump into high priority. So here's our high priority binder. For high priority, let's start with emergency. For emergency, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. We have 140. So emergency, starting with 140. What the pen did to my envelope? Oh no! For credit card, we have 0 because we just paid our credit card. So we start with 0 for credit card. For taxes, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. So taxes, 75. For this saving challenge bundle, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100. For sanitary stuff, we only have $10 in there. So sanitary stuff. I hope the camera is not shaking, because when I write, the camera be shaking. For supplies, we did buy some supplies, so we are starting off October with supplies at $10. For citizenship, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. So citizenship, $95. For moving out, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So moving out, we have 80. And then that's it for high priority. Yeah, Afterpay is empty, so let's go ahead and put Afterpay 0. So Afterpay 0. And that's it for the iPriority binder. And we're moving to sinking funds. Let's jump right in and let's see what's happening. So we are going to do our no spend tracker for the month of October. So let's go ahead and write that in. So let's put October 2023, and our no spend tracker will be detected this month. Okay, so let's start with Christmas. For Christmas, so let's just put a note here, sinking funds. We're going to highlight that. Sinking funds, the date, and the month. Okay, so for Christmas we have, let me put my pen down because it's messing up my envelopes. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have 180 in Christmas. We don't really do a lot for Christmas. I just want to add, I already have my tree. I'm going to use my same decor from last year. This is mostly going to do like Christmas dinner, whatever else we want to do for Christmas, because I already have my decorations. So next we have birthdays. For birthdays, we currently have, remember we emptied this envelope? So we have 10, 20, 30, 45. My daughter's birthday is coming up, so we're gonna have to focus more on birthdays a little bit because empty the folder for my boyfriend's birthday and my daughter's birthday is coming up. So with that being said, we're going to have to focus some more on that. For my daughter, I just got her diapers and wipes, so she only has $10 remaining in her envelope. So Jalea has $10. Next envelope, we have Black Friday, which is coming up. And for Black Friday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 35. So Black Friday, we have 135. I'm not sure what I want to buy yet, so we'll see. So 135 for Black Friday. For car maintenance, we have 10, 20, 30, 33. So car maintenance, 33. For my birthday, which is not until next year, but it's coming up real quick, we have, it's only $20 in there. So my birthday, 20. Let's move on to tolls. For tolls, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. For my brother, his birthday just passed, so I did send him all that cash. For my mommy, we have 10, 25. So mommy, 25. Brother, 0. For date night, I think it's only 10. Yes. So date night, $10. Vacation, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. On vacation, 30. And then last but not least, we have self-care, which we only have $20 in self-care at the moment. So self-care 20. And that's basically it for my binders. So let's now do a calculation of the total amount that we have. So let's get our calculator. Okay, on. So we have 135 in Black Friday, 33, 20, 40, 25, 0, 10, 30, 20. And I did do this backwards, so the other page turns out to be back here. 30, 140, 75, 100, 10, 10, 95, 80, 180, 45, and 10. So in total, we have $1,088. So let's put it, oh, wrong pen. Okay, so we're gonna put total 1,088. Let's highlight that. So highlight in the total, date, October. So we are starting October with $1,088 in our high priority sinking funds and my daughter's binder. So let's see how this month's gonna go. Let's see if we can, you know, build this money up. So we're going to do our no spend challenge. In the sinking funds binder, we're going to check off the days in which we didn't spend any money, and we're going to try our best not to spend. So I'm really excited to be, you know, a little bit more organized in this whole thing, and I'm so excited to see what the month of October brings. October is going to bring wealth, health, money, success, financial goals being achieved. October, I'm feeling you. October is going to be so great. So great. Speak things into existence. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Come on, baby, chop chop. And comment, share, like, check out my website, etc., etc. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.